Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to showing how to change your Facebook password. Okay, let's start. First click Play Store and Facebook update. Search Facebook. My account already updates. Open. Now click your profile icon. Setting and privacy. Click for setting. Now account center. Scroll down. Password and security. Now change password. Current password. Next, new password. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.